next, my brother.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
I want to talk about a heartbreak that I went through that I feel like we...
Can you come closer to the
Of
microphone?
course, of course. Is this better?
Yes.
I want to talk about a heartbreak that I went through that I feel like we as a society tend to belittle nowadays. When I was 17, up until I was 17, I had perfect skin, whatever. Aesthetically, I liked the way that I used to look, right? And all of a sudden, the puberty hit, and then, I got a lot of acne scars. Around the same time, I kind of lost my front two teeth. That for me became an issue because that insecurity led to me, not confident in myself, and me being at home mostly, not wanting to talk to nobody, whatnot. So, two ways that it actually, I kind of got out of it. One of them would be the fact that I started consistently praying 5 times a day, which really helped me out. And the second one is kind of not from an Islamic perspective, but I started going to the gym, right?
Brilliant. That is also from the Islamic perspective. You have to be
100%.
strong.
100%. Recently what happened is that I tore my ACL. So now again, I found myself in a situation where I was bedridden for another 2 to 3 months. In which case, that is when I truly realized that physical pressure, whatever, physical exertion is of course important to healing yourself through a heartbreak, but it was a 5 times a day that actually helped me. Now, alhamdulillah, I do both.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair, my brother. What a beautiful story. It brings me to a point that I hadn't even mentioned, and I think it's absolutely important. He spoke about the 5 daily prayers, and he mentioned the gym. I want to say physical fitness contributes in a huge way to building your mind and to comforting your heart. You feel good about yourself. You actually think good. You think better because you're physically fit. And it brings me to the hadith, Al-Mu'minu al-Qawiyyu khayrun wa ahabba ila Allahi min al-Mu'min al-Dha'if. A strong believer. And this strength is both types of strength. The strength of your faith and even your physical strength. A strong believer, one who is fit and solid, is more loved by Allah than one who is weak and timid, weak in faith and weak physically as well. So strengthen yourselves. My beloved sisters, more than the brothers, I think I have found so many sisters who I have encouraged to go into a routine of sweating for 45 minutes a day. And initially it was a struggle to start off, with a private gym or a gym that is suitable for you. And then when they did, every single one of them, without one exception, gave me brilliant feedback and told me it was life-changing. So that's something you need to consider, no matter how old you are. Even if it's just going out for a brisk walk for 45 minutes a day and come back. Brisk walk that makes you sweat. Not a social walk where you're walking, then you sit and have your tea, and then you get up and so, no. We're talking of some serious stuff. So brother, Jazakallah khair, shukran.